G'day! In today's video I've got a Samsung Galaxy Tab TB-X505F, and this particular one has got a damaged charging port, if I can find where it's located, which is over here. While we're up at this angle, we might as well remove the the SD card tray out of it. So I really don't want to bump into that, so I'll take that out now. Next up from here I want to take the back cover off. And from there I want to work my way to the charging board, and then I'm going to use a hot air station to replace the charging port on this one. Now this has been heating up on my blue heat pad here for about 10 minutes, so any adhesive should be nice and soft. This feels like it's mostly held in by clips. There we go, one button did pop off just then. And over here we have the daughter board. I do want to disconnect the battery first, which should be pretty straightforward. There, here, disconnect the battery, do not cause any problems. Go, and then we go over to here. Take the screw out. These ones along here. So far all these screws have been of the same length, so you shouldn't have to be too concerned about getting them mixed up. There we go. There. I have to lift this out down here. Go, disconnect over here. Lift this up, pull this back, disconnect here, lift this one off, and probably disconnect the audio jack as well. Pull the tab, there we go, and this should hopefully lift up from here. There we go, it does have a little bit of adhesive holding it down. There we go, we have one damaged Type-C port, or micro USB port. Before I go near the hot air station, I'm going to try and remove whatever this factory, whatever this stuff is. It's not glue, it's more just solid plastic around it. I'll just get the hot air gun under that one, I reckon. It's best to find a replacement port for it and go to the hot air station. So I found my replacement one. It's not quite exactly the same. It sticks a bit more forward, but that should be still perfectly usable. So now I'm going to use my hot air gun at 340 degrees Celsius with a flow of about 80. Or air at 80. Should be more than enough to get this one off the board. Now it's the adhesive giving me grief. There we go. Chip it away. Right, need my soldering iron. That lifted up and out. I'm going to give this a clean up with my soldering iron, put some fresh solder, and then heat it up once more and swap this part back on there. Now we've got my soldering on at 300 degrees. it is still annoying me quite a bit. Might even need a little blade to clean that up, I think. Too far, nearly took off a trace. For a pad, that's not what you want to do. Now, put some more of this down. Now from here, I'll heat it up with the heat gun once more. See what I can do about lining this replacement port on top. Hopefully I can line it up, push it down, and get it into position from there. What else do I need to hold this up? Something like that may do the job. Reasonably happy with that. A bit more of this on there. Turn the heat down a little bit. Still at 340, change it to 250. And give it a slow cook. Hello.
How much will...
Okay, reasonably happy with that. Slightly bent the PCB. Oh no, we're alright. There, good there. The connection of it's pretty good. Running this along. Some tweezers along the pins. There's no movement. So that should be okay. So we'll clean with alcohol. We'll just quickly touch up the mounting points, even though they are protruding mostly through, just to be sure. Brush this. Happy with that. Make sure it's stuck at the top there. We're good. Quick little touch up, and then we'll put it back in. We'll give it a quick test prior to the full install. Go. Now let's bring back the board, connect it up, make sure we're charging. Here we are. Should fit in there. Push in. Let's go down here. Well, not quite that direction, but you understand the purpose. This display here not connected up. Fold up that connector. Push in, push down, take the tape off, push on. Similar scenario over here, this connector goes up, cable slides in to the line, close to, then down. Anti-static tape, put that back over the top. Yeah, might as well go whole hog and put in the screws, at least for there. Which way are we going to go? That way. And that all screws are the same, should be right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up. So let's connect up some power. I've got a micro USB cable here, USB amp reader here. And which way do we go? That way. And we have 0 amps. May help if I connect a battery. There we go. 0.26 amps. A little on the low side. I'll zoom this in. Might be able to see the screen. 0.26. What's going on over here? Disconnect. Reconnect. I'm just going to leave that on charge and see where it ends up. Put it around the back. Normally I'd expect some form of activity on the screen right now, but we're getting not much. I'll stick that on charge, leave it for a little while, and then try it again from there. Bingo! After leaving it for about 5 minutes on my other charger, pardon, this one is now charging as it should. Plug this in, click. See that screen right there? 0.6 amps going in, 0.7. So, relatively steady flow. And right now we're coming up as a Lenovo. Bingo. So from here, there we go. 1.9 amps of power going in. And we're seeing the battery charge icon right now. Bingo. So from here, it's simply just reassemble. Which on this model, I need to put the shield back over the battery cover. Or we'll just put the battery cover back on, however you would like to word that. One screw back in here. Did have the power button and this volume button both fall out on me. So I'll stick those back over on the side that they go. Over here. And then we just need to click the back cover back on. So relatively straightforward. Which way do we go here? Try that way. No. Way around. Stupid little grommet. There we go. In. SIM tray, back cover. My battery's about to go flat. on my camera, ironically. So work your way around, click it all back together, then put that SIM tray back in there, and you should be pretty sweet. Go, click, click, click. Clack. There we go. SIM tray back in, and done. Hope that helps. See you later. Bye.